Excessive smoke during startup is a total pain, but getting your wood stove going cleanly isn't as hard as you think once you know what to do. So, first off, always open the damper fully before lighting your fire. This lets the smoke flow out smoothly instead of hanging around in your house. Use dry wood only because wet or green wood makes way more smoke and mess. Stack your kindling in small wood pieces loosely so air can move through easily, helping the fire catch fast. Light the fire at the front or side of the stove to get good airflow going right away. Keep an eye on the fire as it starts and add bigger logs once you see flames and less smoke. If your stove has a glass door, crack it open a little in the beginning to help with airflow. Lastly, clean your chimney regularly because creosote buildup can choke off airflow and cause more smoke during startup. One of the top 3 mistakes that cause heavy smoke during startup is not opening the damper fully, which blocks airflow and traps smoke inside. Fix that by opening it wide early on so the fire breathes right away. Another common issue is using wet or green wood, which produces tons of smoke because it needs extra heat to dry out. Make sure to store your wood in a dry place for at least 6 months before burning. The third big problem is overcrowding the stove with big logs too soon, which smothers the fire and creates smoke. Start with small pieces and kindling first, then add larger logs once the fire is strong. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. It also helps contractors find solid work by connecting them with people who actually need their services.